Minisita Ebyenfuna Matia Kasayija ng'akotte buriefcase anjulidde eggwanga embalirira omwaka w'ebyensimbi 2025-2026.
And on behalf of His Excellency the President, I present to Parliament and to the people of Uganda the budget for financial year 2025-26 as approved by Parliament.
Aze kuyuzaliza President Museveni olw'okuzimba ebyenfuna by'eggwanga ebinywevu kuba Uganda gemu ku mawanga agasinga okukula mu nsi yonna.
Uganda is among the fastest growing economies in the world and is projected to become the fastest growing by 2031 according to the Harvard Growth Club. This is despite the various domestic, regional and global shocks that have impacted us in the recent years. The growth is on account of a unique economic ideology championed by His Excellency the President, which is built on the 4 principles of socio-economic transformation, patriotism, Pan-Africanism and democracy.
Agambye embalirira omwaka okugenda kutunulira abantu n'okubagagawaza.
The budget for next financial year and over the medium term is focused on people and wealth creation. Consequently, the theme of the next financial year 25-26 remains full monetization of Uganda's economy through commercial agriculture, industrialization, expanding and broadening services, and digital transformation and market access.
Agenda omwaka w'ebyensimbi ogugwa ku bakunganyiza ensimbi obubi emitwalo 31 nga kati balubirira okunganya obubi emitwalo 37.
Government plans to collect shillings 37.2 trillion in domestic revenue next financial year 25-26. This will finance about 60% of the national budget. The rest of the budget will be financed through borrowing and grants.
Agenda agaziya kunkanya emisolo ku bintu ebitali bimu nga bakusaamanyi mu kulwanyisa enguzi n'obulya ku miwala n'okunyikiza enkola ya freeze. Afundikidde agamba nti ebyefuna by'eggwanga bisimbudde era ng'embalirira nagiwadde eri bannayuganda bonna abalubiri okutondawo emirimu.
Manufacturing, innovations by our scientists and digital transformation in Uganda is indeed unstoppable. Unstoppable.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.